Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now we are at Ritz Carlton in Osaka and we're in room 2918. We got an executive suite here, which is very nice with the sky view on the 29th floor. So we are back in Osaka after Kyoto, so I'm going to give you a very quick room tour. Okay, if you look at the decor, is very classic. Luxury, you know, the very much Western style as well. You can see, you know, with the marble and everything, it's quite well maintained, but you can tell is the classic style. Okay, so very quickly beginning on my left is a powder room, and of course that is the welcome. Okay, so walking right in, they have the espresso coffee machine with 6 capsules with a few bottles of water, and then with the kettle and everything, which is nice. So I open it up, you know, with the normal glasses, crystal glasses and coffee mug, as well as, let's take a look, a fully stocked mini bar. You know, of course it's to pay for, but I like fully stocked mini bar. Okay, then on this side is actually a work desk. This is the flower from Hoshinoya, Kyoto. This is the welcome letter from Ritz Carlton for the elite member. So as you may be aware, for Ritz Carlton, even if you're an elite member, you will not get club lunch or breakfast benefit. But at least we got late checkout confirmed at around 2:30, which is nice. Okay, so now walking right in is the living room. They have the television here. You know, as I say, this is 29th floor, which is a sky view. So which is quite nice in Osaka to get the sky view. Okay, so this is the decor of the living room, the sofa and everything. Okay, because if you watch my video before or the last video on Hoshinoya, Kyoto, we are here to celebrate my husband's birthday. So they do have a happy birthday card, not handwritten, you know, it's kind of printed, maybe it's written inside. Oh no, okay, there's no signature inside either, but that's all right. We met the general manager, Simon. When we check in, he's pretty hands-on, pretty nice. So we chat a little bit. So this is the welcome amenity, you know, with the baked Japanese grapes and the Ritz Carlton chocolate and some chocolate cookies and, you know, the traditional tea set, which is quite nice. Okay, let's move in. Okay. So here is the area, you know, it's like a walk-in closet. You know, I can put a luggage in here. So this is the wardrobe. They do provide pajamas and the bathrobe as well. Okay. And then moving right in is the bathroom. So of course they have the rain shower. This is their bath gel, shampoo and conditioner. And right now you hear the noise because for Japanese toilet, they kind of automatically spray, you know, when they sense somebody coming close, and the light will turn on and everything. So anyway, moving right along, they have the bath salt menu, which is pretty cute, and the hair dryer is here, and more amenity, you know, shower cap, shaver, toothbrush, cotton, I think cotton rounds, you know, and cotton buds, and everything is here. Okay, and they do have the bathtub, which is single, is a little shallow, but that is good for a good bath. And other bathrobe here. Okay, and then the weight and the sitting chair here. So walking right out is back in the luggage and walk-in closet area, and then that comes our bedroom. Okay, so they got another small work desk here. In Japan, it's very typical that for 2 person they give you 2 beds. Actually, I request 1, but they say they have 2 because of high occupancy. So it's a nice room, high floor, so I took this room. Okay, so they have the clock, they have everything here, very handy. And again, this is like a corner room with the sky view, so which is very good room in Osaka. Okay, and they got another television here, and then the 2 bed setting. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We'll be here for 2 nights. We haven't booked the breakfast yet because we will be going to Work Expo tomorrow, and assume there'll be a lot of people, and we may have to leave a little early, so we're not sure about breakfast. But if we did go to the restaurant for breakfast, we'll show you. But that's pretty much the nice room tour of the executive suite at the Ritz Carlton Osaka.